Everyone, so in this video I will let you know remote file inclusion. So you guys all know in my previous video I have covered file inclusion vulnerability. So now the next is remote file inclusion vulnerability. So basically this is similar to local file inclusion and server configuration. Like in this remote file inclusion, server configuration to allow any file from any server. That is the this is the differentiate between remote file inclusion and file inclusion. And other is execute, you can execute PHP file from other server onto the current server. So this is also. And guys, I have already covered 3 dedicated lecture onto the file inclusion vulnerability, but this is the remote file inclusion vulnerability. So for that testing, so you have to some like configuration do you have to do some configuration in PHP, right? You have to change some PHP settings. So how you can change that setting for the testing purpose, I will let you know. So you have to enter in this your this is the Metasploit machine, you know. So you have to enter this Metasploit machine. Now you have to type the command for the configuration sudo, right? Nano. I will open my PHP file into the nano, right? Now you have to type etc and then php5, then cgi, and then php. Fine. So if you enter, click on enter here, so you will found this page. And if you enter here, so there are multiple things. So now you have to press Ctrl W for the search. So I am pressing Ctrl W, and now I'm able to search. So I will allow, like you have to search allow URL. If you enter, so you will get these things. So here there are two things: allow URL f open. So this is on in your system always. The second thing is allow URL include is equal to on. So I have on this, but in your case you will found this will be off. So you have to just go on that location and just like same, write the on. For the save, you can press Ctrl X. So it will like give you an option to save yes or no. So you have to type yes. So I have typed yes, and you can see I am able to uh, enter. I am able to save. If you open that file again, so you will found it will. If you Control W and allow URL, so you can see the whatever we have saved the setting on. This is now saved. So I'm Control X this exiting. So we have saved that setting. So now you have to start your server. How you can start your server? So type sudo, right? And the command is that for the Apache you have to start again etc, and in this etc you have to type init dot t, right? And in this Apache 2 and restart. So this is the command for restart. So now you can see server is restarting the web server Apache 2. Once it will done, so your server is ready. So now you server is restart, right? So now your this Metasploit 2 machine is ready for the testing, for the remote file inclusion testing. In my like next video or upcoming video, I will let you know how we can hack from the remote file inclusion vulnerability. So this is all in this video. So you guys also configure your Metasploit machine, or also do the same configuration, so we are able to test in my next video. So thank you guys. This is all in this video, right? Thank you.